In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage clients in Basecamp. We'll walk through signing in, inviting a client, sending the invitation, and then viewing and updating your client list inside a project. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect so your clients can collaborate smoothly with your team. Start by heading to the Basecamp login page in your browser. On the sign-in screen, enter the email address associated with your Basecamp account and click Next. On the next screen, type your password and sign in. Once you're in, look for the Invite People option. This is your gateway to bringing clients into your account so they can see project updates, share files, and communicate in one place. Choose the option labeled a client you're doing work for. This ensures you're inviting someone as a client rather than as an internal team member. Click Next and you'll be prompted to enter some basic information. Type the client's name so it's easy for everyone to recognize who they are. Then type their email address carefully. Accurate details matter here because this is where the invitation is sent and how their name will appear in Basecamp. When you're ready, click Email Invitation now. Basecamp will send the invitation right away. The client will receive a message prompting them to join your Basecamp account. If they don't see it, ask them to check their spam or promotions folder. You can always resend the invite later if needed, but in most cases, the email arrives within a minute or two. Next, let's look at how to see and manage your clients. Return to Home to get back to your main dashboard. Open a project you use with clients, for example, a sample project you've set up for testing or onboarding. Inside the project, click Set Up People. This section is where you organize who has access to the project and what role they have. Select the Clients tab. Here you'll see a list of your clients connected to this project. You can review their details, edit their information if something changes, and add new clients right from this area. It's a great place to double check that the right people are included and that their contact information is up to date. Keep in mind that inviting clients at the project level helps you control exactly what they can see and participate in, so everything stays secure and tidy. That's it. Sign in, invite your client, send the email sent by it, and manage them from the Clients tab inside your project. With these steps, you'll keep client collaboration organized and effortless in Basecamp.